Magandang araw, I'm Bon, your host for today. At samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng laptop. Right off the box, makikita niyo siya. Brand is Lenovo. May logo. I think may idea na kayo kung ano to. Samahan niyo ako, buksan natin siya. So guys, excited. So guys, pagbukas natin, makikita natin what's in a box. Una, tagal natin to kung ano to. Ito yung charger or charging brick. Nandito yung charging cable. Dito yung power brick. Ang power brick na ito ay napakalaki guys. So kung nakikita natin, kung naaninag ba, that's 300 watts guys. Stickers. Yan. Logo and then Legion and then logo niya. So, guys, ito yung laptop. Pagtanggal mo ng cushion niya ng foam. Ganda yung foam niya, parang letter X. So, nakabalot siya sa cloth. So, guys, here's the laptop. Ito na yung laptop natin. First impression, looks premium. Feel premium. Kasi, when it comes to the built material, body, chassis, lahat, it's all made of metal. Sa labas, sa ilalim, at yung pinaka-body sa loob, it's all metal. With the exemption of the air vent or exhaust, these are plastic. But of course, yung plastic is high quality, hindi siya plastic-plastikan. So just to give you a quick tech specs, yung specs ng laptop na to. Ang processor nito is Ryzen 7 5800H or 5800H. Ang operating system niya is naka Windows 11 na siya. Graphics is NVIDIA RTX 3060. And of course, yung memory or RAM is 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes. So that's total of 16 gigabytes DDR4. 3,200 megahertz. And of course, yung pinaka storage niya is 1 terabyte. That is more than enough pagdating sa mga pag-save mo ng files at pag-download mo ng mga games na gusto mong gamitin. And of course, ito ay ang colorway. Ang pinaka-color niya is Storm Gray. It's gray, pero sabi ng Lenovo, it's Storm Gray. And of course, ang keyboard nito is naka 4-zone RGB. Ibig sabihin nun, iba-iba kulay. And it can be nasa-set siya sa system if you wanna choose a specific color. And of course, along with this, upgradable pa rin siya. Maximum of 32 gigabyte RAM, and then you can upgrade the storage up to 2 terabyte. Kasi ang laman nito sa loob, may dalawa siyang lagayan ng storage or SSD. Dalawang SSD slot, dalawang RAM slot. So again, this is the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro in Storm Gray colorway. So guys, this is my first gaming laptop and hopefully maganda siya.